Alright, back with another Lil Yachtys food review. The last one you guys seem to like. I mean, it got like 400 views right now, 30 likes. I don't even know how. Appreciate y'all. But we got the buffalo style chicken pizza. This time, last time it was just plain pepperoni. Remember, it was pretty good. This time we had to get this one because you guys showed like a bunch of support, you know, on the video. So I had to, you know, bring out a part 2. Then if this one's good, then we'll bring it a part 3.
There was like another one. It was
oh
like
yeah,
cheese.
like cheese, only cheese. But this time we had to try this one. This one was like catching my eye last time. Let's rip that up.
Cheese. That chicken.
Cheese. This looks a little
Nah, I don't like it. I don't think it's gonna be good.
No?
Nah.
It's just chicken and cheese. I mean, can't be bad. I'm not expecting bad, but
Look at that.
yeah, the chicken looks like shrimp, huh?
Yeah, not that good.
What
Again
is
with
that?
this.
That's chicken, no?
That's cheese.
That's cheese? That's not cheese.
That's cheese.
This is chicken.
Okay, where's the cheese?
Alright. Got the knife again. Remember like last time? I was like doing karate. What's that? Yeah, you know, just gonna cut it open. See what it's looking like, you know, in person. But this still got the plastic on it.
What?
That, what is that then? That's chicken, no?
That's.
Shit, I don't know.
Can I try it?
It's like a Dorito dust crust. Or,
Again?
listen.
That I didn't really taste it last time.
Yeah, it tastes normal, like just
Cheese,
like
bread.
like yeah, like bread, cheesy, like cheesy bread, like something like that. But, I mean,
What is that orange stuff? Cheese, right?
It has to be the buffalo sauce, maybe.
That has to
right?
be cheese.
It doesn't look like cheese.
But how's that sauce? It's literally
Look
solid.
at it.
Ugh, that's a bone. That's
Is that a move?
that's cheese.
Oh, we're about to find out though. You just spread this chicken or whatever this is. Because this is not chicken.
Now what is that? That's chips.
Oh, I'm not gonna question it. We're just gonna try it. Alright, better put another right now though. We got it preheating. The camera cut out, so I don't know how much it got, but like I said, I think it's gonna be better than the original pepperoni.
Nah, it's
Just
not.
look at it. Like, oh my
That is
God.
not.
Like, if it's not good, you gotta slap me. But we about to see right now.
That does not look good.
It looks different. That's why. Like,
Cause
I'm
what?
expecting it to be like. I don't know. You can't question it, bro. Let's just try it once it's ready. Right now, the presentation's looking kind of mysterious. I don't know.
Yeah.
But give us like 15 minutes once this is you know, preheated. It's in there. We'll give you guys like a little update, you know. And yeah, I'm ready for this pizza. Alright. It's been like, shoot, I don't remember how long. That's looking. I'm just sniffing it. That's good. It's that time. Let's get it.
Well, I don't think it's gonna be good.
You got the safety precautions, you know, the little hand mitt. It's not even a mitt, but yeah. Should start.
Oh, I got scared.
So it's chicken and then it's buffalo chicken, I think.
Oh.
Oh no, but let's find out.
Put him on Master Chef.
I'm not Master Chef. You're not working at McDonald's now.
Oh yeah. Cook me a McDonald's burger. Oh, you should like sneak a McDonald's patty in your pocket, and then make it here.
You gotta cut it up. Let's see.
I can't see
Let me
it.
see that. Look at that crispiness. Oh my, oh my, oh my.
I can't see the pizza.
Oh, my hands in there. That's why.
Yeah, I know.
That's why. Well, I gotta cut it, man. Look at that. Oh my. We're gonna find out this is real Italiano. It looks good, not gonna lie.
No, it does not. It stinks too.
No, it doesn't. I don't know what he's talking about, bro. It does not stink. Look at the beautiful cuts, though. Like a pro, bro. Where's a local pizzeria that needs me, you know? Look at these cuts over here.
Whoa, nice, bro.
Look at those cuts, though. crispy. You can't tell me that does not look good though. You can't.
Just looking at it makes my stomach hurt. This does not look good.
That's delicious. What are you talking
What
about?
was that?
No, that looked really good though. I'm excited to try this for sure.
It stinks.
I don't know what he's talking about. It stinks, but I know it doesn't.
It does.
I want them-
I'm not eating that, bro. That is disgusting.
It does not look.
Oh my god.
How much you want? 2? Alright. I don't know. The camera cut off. I need a new battery for the camera, but we got the Pixel right here. This is the issue. You know, I'll put it right here. He's about to try. We're gonna try right here.
Why does it look so much better than mine?
No, it doesn't.
It does.
It's just mine has like the cheese, like the cheese is popping out. Look at that though, crispy. Let's take that bite.
Snow is good.
That is not that good.
I told you. But that does not look good. It stinks too.
It's not bad. It's not terrible. It's good, but it's not that good.
Told you. It's not as good as the pepperoni, right?
Nah.
See?
What I say, I had to slap myself. It's not good, but it's still like it's still good. But like I can still eat it.
It stinks. It looks bad. It looks like school lunch or something, bro.
No, it does
Yes,
not.
it does.
What is that though? It's pretty good though.
Oh, it's not.
It's pretty good. Has like a little kick to it, like oh, it's hot. But you're gonna have issues reaction though.
It looks disgusting,
It's
bro.
pretty good.
It's so bad.
Mid.
It's mid.
Yeah, that's what I just said. Camera froze again, bro. I'm about to like slam this, but it should take a bite. I don't know if you guys seen that.
Yeah.
It's pretty good, right?
I didn't know
It's
about
better than you thought. You thought it was gonna be terrible. You kept saying
it.
it's
Taste.
the cheese is like crazy on it too. Like it's
It's
good cheese.
like spicy.
It's kind of spicy too. Like my lips is like I can't feel my lips right now. Oh my, that was a good one. Oh my,
It was good.
that was good. It's
It's
pretty good. It's good. But
It's not real pizza.
what is it? What could it be then? Apple? It's good. It's not bad. What is wrong with that? That'll make him cry. Turned into a pig. He took 2 bites. That's what he knows, dude. Come on, you can't lie. Ew. Booger's coming in his nose.
No.
Out of 10, what are you gonna rate it?
6. It's like Clorox wipes.
This guy acted like he's 80 Clorox. So.
It does. It's not good.
It's good.
I would not get it again.
Did you get the pepperoni one again? I'd rather get this one again than the pepperoni, not gonna lie. Alright, the camera froze again, bro. I'm about to break it, but he gave it a 6. It's good.
I would not get it again.
Alright.
I was gonna say, I can't taste no chicken.
Yeah, it just tastes like cheese and like spice.
Like a lot of cheese.
Oh, that's hot. Ah. I don't know, but 6 out of 10. I'm gonna give it a 8. Alright. That's the end of the video. Appreciate everybody who watched, like, subscribe. And appreciate all the support you guys showed in the last video. 7 out of 10 though, y'all. You gotta do a little bit better.
The chicken was like a napkin or something.
That's alright. But yeah, appreciate everybody who watched. Give me more, food ideas to try.
I like
Different
food.
spots. And yeah, let me know. Till next time.